everyone, and welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today's video is going to be a nail update to update you guys on my first set of acrylic nails. And so yeah, first of all, first things first, I do have some space for a fill-in. My nails have been growing. Oh, wait 1 second. So I do have some fill-in space right here, and looking at it, like looking at my nails, looking at what's growing in, what has grown in, it does look like my nails are going to be healthy when they grow out, like when I take this acrylic off. And so yeah, being that I have fill-in space, no, I'm not getting a fill-in, I'm going to be taking the acrylic off, but I do have a design that I want to do first before I take the acrylic off. But anyway, looking at what has grown in, it does look like my nails are still healthy, but I know that my nail bed, like from here to here, I know that all of this is still damaged because when I got them done, the nail tech, he buffed my nail bed with a drill. So I know that once all this grow out into my free edge, then I know that's still going to be weak and probably break off when it grows into my free edge. But like I said, since this fill-in space, since that's looking healthy, I think my nails are going to grow back healthy. But when it grows into my free edge, is it still going to be as strong as it used to be? I think so. I'm hoping so. But it does give me a little, it does make me feel better and give me a little hope that because my nails look good, because of what's been growing in looks good, that my nails will still be strong once it grows out into my free edge. And so on the topic of free edge, when I took off my manicure, when I took off my birthday manicure, I was a little happy. I was a little surprised that I even had some free edge right here. Like, I was a little surprised, and I don't know why. Like, I feel like my nails grew fast, but like, did they grow fast, or does having acrylics just show you how fast your nails really do grow? Like, I don't know. If I hadn't had acrylics, I wouldn't have realized that my nails grew so fast. But yeah, I was surprised to see that I have some free edge. But on the other hand, I was also wondering, like, because of the way the guy did it when he drilled this little section right here under my nails, I was also wondering, is that what this just looks like from the top? But most likely I just have some free edge. Like, it's free edge, and I was just surprised that it grew so fast. So yeah, I got a little bit of free edge because, like I said, they have been growing. That's why I got some fill-in space. And now about this right here, what I got going on under here. When I got my nails done, the guy that did them, he used a bit on his nail drill that was like this, but it was metal, and it was long and narrow. So it was like this, but it was a metal bit for the drill, and he kind of drilled under here. And I think he did that to like separate the acrylic from my fingertips. And since he did that, now I got this kind of like ditch or like a hole growing in my nails, like growing under my nails. And it wasn't as bad when he first did it, like when I first got my nails done. But now that my nails have been growing, now I got even more space under here, and this can be, it can be a little annoying. Like I have a ditch in my nails. Like I don't know what to call it other than a ditch, but it just gets nasty under there. I'm sure you can see that it's just nasty under there. Like, imagine eating hot wings and you getting sauce and spice and everything just stuck up under there in this little hole. Yeah, it can get annoying. Like, sometimes when I finish eating, I gotta pick food out of my nails. Like, yeah, that's kind of what I gotta go through with this section growing under my nails. Like, one time I was eating a cheeseburger and it had a lot of cheese on it, because you know burgers are never made as neatly as they do in the commercial. But I was eating a cheeseburger and I had got some cheese under my thumbnail, and I forgot to clean it out when I finished eating, and the next day I still had cheese under my nails. Like, no, this not a good thing. So yeah, when I finish eating, I need a nail pick, not a toothpick, but I need a nail pick. So that's what's going on with under here. And I do have a nail brush. Like, I could just wash my hands and use my nail brush to clean under my nails, but I wanted to show you guys this gunk and just what I'm working with here. So I'm gonna clean under my nails with the nail brush when I'm done with this video. The next thing is, I did break my pinky, but I went back to the salon to get it fixed. And the rest of my nails are, let me zoom out. I probably don't need to be this close for the rest of the video. But yeah, I did break my pinky, and I got the rest of my nails done in forms. But when I broke my pinky, he fixed it with a nail tip, and I kind of did want him to fix it with a form because the rest of the nails are forms, but he did it with a tip, and I didn't really bother to ask him to do it in forms because I just wanted my nail fixed. Either way, it's alright. It's just one nail. And then when I went in the salon to get my pinky fixed, of course there was some acrylic still on my nail. Like, it was acrylic still on my nail bed. And the way he was getting it off, the way he was taking off the old acrylic, I can't deal. Like imagine he had a flat little metal tool, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna demonstrate with my orange stick. He was picking under it and gonna like pry it off of my nail. The old acrylic, he was picking at it to pry it off of my nail. And then he grabs some cuticle nippers and does the same thing, trying to grab and pick and pry off the old acrylic off my nail bed. So in my head, I'm just like, is that how you plan to take off all these acrylic off all my nails? Like, no sir, no you're not. And like, it was uncomfortable. I was pulling my hand back because it was uncomfortable and it did hurt, but he did eventually use the nail drill, which was a lot better. But still, no, you are not going to be prying off these acrylics off of all my nails. Like I'm low-key glad my pinky broke, because if I would have came in there to get all these things taken off and you was going to do it like that, no sir, I can't. So, and then even though he did eventually use the drill, I think I'm going to take the acrylic off myself, because I don't want him to drill too far and then drill into my nails, my natural nails, because I don't know how he plans to how he takes acrylic off, but how I want to take it off is I want to drill the acrylic down as close to my nail as I can, and then melt off the rest of it with acetone, versus him where he'll probably pry it all off again and drill. Oh my god, no, I'm just gonna take it off myself so that I can be extra careful with my own nails. So yeah, that's that. And speaking of drill, I did buy me one. It's a little It's a little battery powered. It's a little battery powered hand drill, and it looks like this. I just don't have any bits in the tip of it, but this is what it looks like. It's the Equate. I don't know how to say that word, or that brand, but it's the Equate drill that I got from Walmart, and it was about $12. It's not very strong, and you can't change the speeds on it, so it's not very strong. And it uses 2 AAA batteries. And how you open it is you line up this little symbol right here, just twist and open it up, and that's where you put the batteries. And so to close it, just line up that little symbol and twist. And so that's how you open it. And it comes with a little base or a little stand or whatever you want to call it. The base, it holds the little nail bits, like the drill bits. You can take one out, pop it in there, and turn it on. So it's not very strong. You can touch it and it doesn't hurt. So not very strong. But whether this is strong or not, I'm going to be using this to take my nails off. So yeah, you can use the stand to hold your nail bits, and the stand is also a light. So I'm going to dump these out real quick because the light is at the bottom. So yeah, the light is in here, and there's a button on top for the light. You can see that there. So it's a light for one finger at a time, which is okay with me because, like in my last video, I just use gel for one nail at a time for, sticking on gems and whatnot. And actually, speaking of gems, I forgot to say that I bought this and I used it, and I'm mad I didn't think about to make it into a review video. But I bought this so that I could drill. I'm not touching it right now, but I bought this so that I could drill off the gel that I had on in my manicure video, in my birthday manicure video. I bought this so that I can get the gel off without having to soak it off, which of course I would have done soaked off my acrylic nails. So that's why I bought that. And so yeah, back to the stand. You can fit this. The stand does fit, like, stand up this way, and it does hold the drill, but you gotta kind of be careful because it might fall. It doesn't feel very sturdy in the base in the stand, but either way, I think it would be better to use the base to store your bits anyway, because of course these are easier to lose than the drill. So I would just keep the base upside down and put the bits in right here where you can easily store them and keep up with them. So yeah, this stand, it's really cute. It's like it has a lot of features. It holds your drill bits. It's a curing lamp like light. It's a LED light, and it can hold the drill, but I would prefer not to use it for that. And it does use batteries. It got batteries in here for the light. If I can get it open. And it uses these kind of batteries. I don't know what kind of batteries these are, but I've seen them before, and it said it on the packaging, but I'd have ripped the packaging up because, like I said, I'm mad I didn't think of to turn this. I'm mad I didn't think of to do a review video on this when I took off the gel. When I used it to take the gel off my nails. And the light doesn't have a timer. It just turns. You just push the button to turn it on and off. It doesn't have a timer. Button right there if I didn't show you. No timer on the button. And yeah, I think that is all for my nail update. I might have been talking too much. I hope this was easy to follow. But yeah, that's my nail update. I do have a nail design coming up. I want to do one more long nail design before taking these off, even though with how much fill-in space that I have, I probably will need to take them off soon. But I want to do one more design first because it's a long nail design. It would look better, or to me it would look better with long nails. So yeah, I'm gonna do one more nail design and then I'm gonna take the acrylics off. And yeah, stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and comment on what you think of my nails, what you think of the drill, and I will see you in the next video.